is inside here. 68% of the volume is inside this little box that I just highlighted here. Let's highlight it purple. In this purple box of today's volume, 68% of volume was inside this box. And the highest value area high of that, so do you know what value area high means or value area low? Like, what does it actually mean?
The bell shape where it's the, like you said, the most volume traded in that day. It's going to be a support resistance, basically.
Correct, but that's your POC. Highest volume traded is your POC, which is the red line inside or whatever color you have. When you're on top of the value area high, when you have a range day, when you're not having like these run through days on the D-shaped volume profiles, value area highs means usually the responsible sellers come in and they will sell it because they no longer find value above it. And the responsible buyers buy on the bottom of the value because they're like, oh man, this is really valuable here at this price. Think of yourself as you're buying shoes. And I'm not trying to be gender about shoes, but you guys do buy a lot of shoes. If I tell you you have, I don't know, Christian Louboutins are on their, $4,000. Then I say, hey, we have a special sale. They are at $700. What would you think of that price?
I'm going to buy.
You would buy because the value of that shoe at this point, to your perception, is what?
On sale.
Well, the value and the price. So at this price, I find value. Value to price, is the value you're getting is high, the price is low. So when the price comes down, the value seen of that price of that shoe is high. But when it goes back up, you're like, man, I really don't want to buy these shoes at this price because at this price, the the price is high. The value that I'm getting for is what? Is low because if you wait patiently, you get them for much cheaper. So that's hopefully you understand this and others that struggle with volume area. That's the meaning of it. Most responsible sellers sell at the top. Most responsible buyers buy at the bottom. People that break these, what are they called?
Aggressive
buyers.
Initiative buyers and initiative sellers. And those come in on key support resistances. Those are the guys that help us. If you're shorting on momentum, those are the folks that help you. If you're shorting a support right here, you need initiative selling. And initiative means not more. It just means a little bit more aggressive selling than typical. And same for buying. You just need a little bit more, whether this was aggressive buying is yet to be determined. It's just that they tapped that level. 477. Let's see how we react. Okay.
All right. So thanks for explaining that.
Hopefully that makes sense. I know I remember today, and I want to make sure you're not going around and thinking something else.
All right. Thank you for